on bucket hashing. It is quite interesting topic. The bucket hashing, mostly they ask 2 and 5 marks questions. So what is the difference of previous hashing technique and bucket hashing? Okay, majorly they ask mathematical related question on bucket hashing. Okay, bucket in the sense it is memory location, but the term is called as a bucket. Okay, so let us take my keys space, key space having, let us take 10 keys, key space having 10 keys, and I create 5 buckets, and each bucket store are having 2 slots, each bucket having 2 slots. Let us discuss what is a bucket, what is a slot. Okay, key elements is one is 5, 15, 3, 4 and 23, 44, 12, 52, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let it, these are my keys. These are my keys. Okay. So what the question I considered, 5 buckets. So bucket is 1, second bucket, third bucket, fourth bucket, and fifth. I consider 5 buckets. If the problem is given number of bucket size, you can take that number of buckets. Okay, for example, I assume 5 buckets. So index is as usual start from 0 to that number of 1, 2, 3, 4. Slots, each buckets to store only 2 slots. Okay. So what is the mathematical function generally? H of x is equal to x mod 10. Clear? Now here take x element mod of number of buckets. How many buckets? 5. So this value is vary, depends upon the number of buckets. Okay, clear? Because of the size is only 4. Okay, so based upon the number of buckets, this either 6 buckets, it can modulo division of 6, either 10 buckets, 10, 5 buckets, 5. Okay, this is a default formula, but based upon number of buckets, this value is changed. So let us do this, apply the calculation. It is changed to mod 5. Okay, so first value, h of 5 mod 5, remainder is 0. The 0 first slot 5 is stored. Next 15, again what is the remainder? 15 mod 5, remainder is again 0. So 15 is stored. The second index, same index. Suppose if you have, let us discuss last 25. 15 over 15 is stored, and 5 and 15 is located at same index with the two slots. 3 mod 5, 3 mod 5 value, it is less than that mod value, so then it can store in this one. Next 4 is also less than store, that means less than the sense 4 mod 5, this value is less than of this, the result is only 4. 23 mod 5, what is the remainder? 23 mod 5, okay, remainder is 3. Okay, clear? You can do it. 5 4 ja 20. So 23 is stored, 4 is stored here, 23 is stored again here, next 44 is stored here, next 12 is stored here, next 52 is stored here, Next 17, where 17 is stored. What is the remainder of 17? So 5 3s are 15, remainder is 2. Second index 2. Index 2 already full. If any already the slots is full, it can choose that memory is full. Simply the memory is full, so it is not able to store in the list. Even the 27 also, the remainder is 2, it is also full, not able to store. 25, remainder is 0, it is also full, it is not able to store. So bucket hashing in a sense, entire memory space divided into some number of buckets. Okay, suppose if you want to divide the bucket in 3 slots, extend the bucket size. These are called as the buckets. Okay, so we can extend the number of buckets and number of slots within the bucket. The bucket is full in the particular index, even though index is empty, we are not able to insert those values in that place. Okay, it is not a linear probing. Okay, we are not able to insert. If it is particular index, the number of slots is full, then it can choose the bucket is full. Okay, so there is no relocating where the slot is empty, it is not relocating. Okay, so like that the bucket is full. Then the question is they clear the number of buckets and number of slots. According to that you can change the value of either 10, 5, number of depends upon the bucket. So slots means within the bucket you can divide it into number of slots. So this is the bucket hashing. So most of the time they ask a question in the previous university examinations, a 2 marks question, what is bucket hashing, or 5 marks question, explain bucket hashing. Okay, here the problem is even the sum indexes are empty slots, we are not relocating those index elements into this index location. Suppose 25 is not able to store in the 0 index because of the slot is full, but even though slot 1 index 1 is empty, we are not able to place that location. Okay, so that is we consider as a problem. So it is also comes under the static. Fixed, we are not replacing the elements one place to another place. Dynamically you cannot change. Okay, so this is a problem in bucket hashing. Okay, so next last topic we have discussed double hashing, and next this is the last topic in the 4th unit. We discuss the double hashing later. Thank you.